In this video, I'll be covering with you the newest install on my Can-Am Spyder F3 Spyderpops front fender LED lights. Now, I love the way that these look on the motorcycle. When turned off, they don't take away the looks of the sportiness of the bike. And when on during the day, they do shine, but at night is when they make a huge difference. Now, I'll have two videos. The first one, which is this one, will be the review of the lights. And the second one later on will be a complete install from start to finish. So I hope you enjoy this video. Now, the Spyderpops front fender LED lights, I really do like the way that they look on the motorcycle. They do not take away from the sportiness at all. And to install them, you did not have to drill or change anything on your motorcycle, which I do like a whole lot, as I do not change anything on my motorcycle if at all possible. And I have yet to drill any holes in any of the installs that I've done. So I am very appreciative of that it is basically plug and play and easy to install as well, without taking away from your bike's looks. Now, at night, these are very visible and make your bike not only sporty looking and different, but they also make it very visible from the front, the sides, and the back. Now, on the back side, whenever you install it on the fender well, it has a red section that goes up about this far, and then the lights switch over to a white, which is on the top of the fender well towards the front. And they do give you two bulbs to replace the halogen bulbs that are on the front housing of your fender. So that made it even more brighter, which I do appreciate them throwing that in as an extra. Or if you don't want the LED light strips, you can buy those online separately as well. Now, they do have a bunch of options on the website for different years models, as the 2018 that I have has a rounded fender with a little groove in there. The 2019s and up have a hump that's in the middle, so they do have options for those as well. I do recommend checking them out and browse a little bit, because they do have other LED lights for other areas of the bike, and I'll probably be buying more as well because they have good prices on that too. Now, the install was very easy, and everything shipped did help out with the install. There was nothing I was missing, and everything was included. It comes with the lights, the cleaning, which is little alcohol swabs, and then the posit tabs to connect to the wires. So other than just taking the wire underneath the little light housing, the hardest part was basically stuffing the wires into a spot that wasn't there for the wires to be stuffed, and the posit tab connectors as well. So that took just a little bit of time trying to stuff everything in there and make sure that it's sealed up tight. But other than that, enjoyed the install, and I've been enjoying the lights for about 3 weeks now. No issues whatsoever. As soon as you turn on that switch, they come on. The only thing is they do not change any color. It is white and red only, which state laws pretty much prohibit them from changing everything. The red is allowed on the back, and then the white is on top. So they can't give you blues and greens and purples and things like that as options.